Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. And in this video, we're going to talk about all the things you need to know before appearing for NIFT Situation Test 2022. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to discuss the exam pattern. The exam pattern will be divided into 3 steps. So first would be model making. So where you will be given a topic and you will have to prepare a 3D model based on it. Then is the write-up part, that is describing your model in some words, and then would be presenting your model. So that's 3 steps that you need to do while appearing for the NIFT Situation Test, and that's it, you are done with the exam. So now let's look into what all things you need to keep in mind while giving the NIFT Situation Test. So first thing would be surely that you need to handle your material wisely, and you will be tested on your material handling and innovative ability. So whatever material is given to you, you need to take proper care of it. I mean to say that you need to come up with ideas that are unique, and the material should be handled in a very efficient way. Next is prepare prototype or mock-up based on the theme that is allotted to you using the material you have been given. Next is you can choose one problem statement from a set of 3 problem statements. 2 or 3 problem statements are there. You have to choose one statement and you need to prepare a 3D prototype based on that. Now the exam duration is around 2 hours, so you need to complete all the 3 steps in the 2-hour limit. So you need to manage your time wisely. Next is important tips you need to keep in mind while preparing and also while appearing for the exam. So it is first is manage your time wisely. So you will be given 2 hours of time, so you need to manage it because it will be very crucial for what strategy, what action you take and in what time. So first what I would suggest is first 10-15 minutes just focus on what theme you need to pick and how will you use the material that is provided to you, or what all things you will design. So make a like sketch on a paper what all things you will include in the model, and then start working on the model, and in the end you can just clean up the mess on your desk and do the write-up part. So that will be managing your time wisely. You can do it as per your convenience. Second is carry following things to the exam center. So it's very important you prepare a kit beforehand. So what all things you need to keep in that kit is firstly it's scissors, glue, sharpener, paper cutter, it's a ruler, pens and pencils, and a transparent, that is sellotape, and eraser and a glue. So that's all the things that you can keep in a pouch, but I would prefer to keep a transparent pouch. Next is don't use pen on your model. It's strictly prohibited to use a pen on the model you are preparing. Next is the base of the model should be firm. So I've noticed a lot that there are people who prepare really good models but their base is not firm and strong enough to hold the weight of the model. So that is what I would suggest you. Firstly, focus on the base. What base you are giving to the model should hold the weight of the model. What all components you are putting in the model, it should hold the weight properly. So that's one plus point. Next is clean all the mess on the table once the model making part is done, because that really is very important. Next is what will be the criteria for evaluation while in the situation test. So firstly, creative and out of box ideas that stand out. The most important thing you can do is creativity and out of the box ideas. The ideas that are not on the internet, purely out of your mind, or either you can take inspiration from things, but you need to be unique while preparing the model. Next is unique ideas based on theme. So ideas should be strictly based on the theme. You can't, like if you are preparing a fruit seller shop, you can't display it like a showroom, like a clothes showroom. So that are 2 different things. So you need to be unique but based on the theme. Unique idea should be there, but it should be strictly based on the theme. Now next is neat and clean presentation. The presentation should be neat and clean. There should be no stray marks on your papers. The papers you are using should be neat and clean, and you need to keep in mind that you are not wasting things, and you are also avoid spillovers. Like sometimes it happens that people spill over the Fevicol on the papers and it creates really a mess. So you need to focus on that as well, that you are doing it in a really neat and clean way. Now, wise material handling. It's one of the most important points, and you are judged on this basis that how you handle your material. It's a really important point. You should keep in mind that you are using all the material in an efficient way without wastage, and if you are using all the materials that you have used but still there is some material left, so you can prepare some decorative items out of it and use it in your model. Just a bit of it, touch of it will also be really good. So use all the material wisely. Next is color scheme. Color scheme should be followed. Next is aesthetic and minimal feel. So what I suggest and what I personally believe is that you give a minimal touch to your model. That should be enough, because these things are soothing to the eyes and look more aesthetic. So that's what I feel, that your model should be aesthetic and have a minimal feel. Now, your model should have a working methodology as well. Like if you are preparing a cupboard, so you can do is make doors which can open and close, or make drawers which can open or close. So while presenting your model to the to the panel, what you can do is open and close those and tell that this is the cupboard I've prepared and it can close and open like this. So that would be really nice while interacting with the panel members. So that's what I believe, that there should be something that is working in your model. Next is time for action. So what we are going to discuss now is how you should prepare. So firstly, solve NIFT sample papers. Whatever previous year papers and sample papers are available, there's a lot of content available on the internet, so you can explore all of them and take idea or inspiration from all of them. Now participate in NIFT mock tests. Also, most importantly, work on your observation and visualization skills. This is what is most important right now. Observe small things around you that will give you an idea. You don't know what thing can give you an idea while sitting in the exam. So that's one important thing. Work on your observation skills. So Top Rankers India is planning a NIFT GDPI series for all the design aspiring students from 4th of April 2022. So you can enroll in this course. Batch timings would be 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. and its course duration would be around 12 plus hours. The fee is 1,999. You can avail a 10% discount on this course by applying my coupon code, that is GB10. The link will be in the description box below. Also, I would like to tell you some highlights of this course. That is, it will be a 5 days masterclass with 2.5 hours of classes per day. It will be complete package preparation for NIFT GDPI round. They are going to discuss all the important topics, questions, interview strategy, and give you important tips for difficult GD rounds as well. And the trainer would be Konark Bhatia, who's an MBA in marketing and finance and has 18 plus years of professional experience. So go check out the link in the description and don't forget to apply my coupon to avail a discount of 10%. Coming back to the video, now let's talk about the things to carry in the examination hall. So all the materials that I listed previously, you need to carry them in a transparent pouch. Also keep the admit card safely. Carry a transparent water bottle to the examination center. Wear analog watches only, because smartwatches are strictly not allowed. Wear an analog watch because you need to keep a track of time, so I would suggest you to wear a watch. Now that's it from my side. Best wishes to all of you for the NIFT Situation Test exam. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Please share it with all your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and please hit the thumbs up button. That's it from my side. Bye bye.